Alright guys, so I'm back. It's 11:23 and my last video was like at 7. So fast forward like 4 hours. Hurricane Sandy, it's picking up. It's windy outside. I'm about to show you, but right now I'm living off of chips and cookies. Chips Ahoy cookies, which I usually don't like because it's too chocolatey. But anyways, let me show you what's going on. Got my chips here. The wind. Woo! Oh crap. It's really picking up this time. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay, so as you can see, that tree right there is actually moving. Last time it really wasn't moving. And over there's a retirement home. I live near a retirement home. Don't make fun of me. Looks like someone's getting like rescued or something. Apparently someone called 911. Ambulance are right there. I'm soaked. And it's pouring right now. So I guess it's really beginning. 4 hours ago it was calm and peaceful, just a little bit of rain, a little bit of wind. Now look at that. That is insane wind right there. That wind is insane right there. I don't know if the webcam's lagging, but this is really moving a lot. It's going in this direction. This direction, like, I don't really know how to explain it. This is crazy. Look at that. Just blowing. And the water is, the rain is coming towards me. Like, even though I have this thing to protect me, a few people are still driving cars. It's not too bad yet. Maybe in a couple hours I'll put something up for you guys to see. It's picking up really. It's really getting windy, so you can only imagine what the people in Ocean City are feeling. And Ocean City is near the ocean, obviously. It's near the coast, so if you live near the coast, you are really getting hit. I live 30 minutes away from the harbor, so I shouldn't feel too much. I just hope my power stays on. Right now, Verizon's still working for me, thank God, because I've just been watching Stars and Showtime and eating my chips in Texas. But yeah, if you guys really want to know how it's like, this is Hurricane Sandy in Maryland. Crazy. So like, add, subscribe. Please click on every ad in or around my videos. Check out my Black Ops 2 tutorial. This is Henry1502 Inc.